So somebody asked me why I'm using Canadian National as a locomotive to go around my Christmas tree. Just kidding, nobody's asked me that. But to put it simply, I have kids, and the chances of this thing getting kicked or broke or whatever the case is probably kind of high. So I basically decided to pick my least favorite locomotive. Sorry, CN, but that would be you. It already has the rails broke off, so it makes for the perfect candidate just to have a Christmas tree train. So that's what I decided to do with this one, and if it gets broke, I'm not really going to be too butthurt about it, because it's CN. Sorry, CN.